What's up, Peak Timers? Phil here from Peak Time Racing. Today we're going to open up and get a close-up look at the Hot Wheels Premium Car Culture Hyper Haulers. This set includes 5 different trucks, including the 1999 Ford F-150 SVT Lightning, Baja Bouncer, 2020 Jeep Gladiator, Ford Bronco R, and 1975 Datsun Sunny truck. And we'll start it off with the 1999 Ford F-150 SVT Lightning. This hot truck, released back in the late 90s, was so cool. Lots of people loved it. V8 supercharged, looks great. Let's go ahead and pop this premium car open right here. Car number 1 of 5. And this one in a kind of like a weirdish champagne type color on it right here. Premium cars, so all of these will have the metal base as well as the real rider tires, as you can see right down there. But let's have a look at that color. Look at that, gorgeous looking right there. From the back, we've got some nice details. We've got the SVT logo, we've got the Ford logo, no license plates or anything, but we do have painting on the rear tail lights from the side, and you can see those big chrome wheels on here, very classic for this era of cars. And then on the front end, we've got a nice classic looking F-150 grille with the big Ford logo in the middle, the nice lights right there, fog lights down below. Overall, just a great looking truck, and super nice to see it in this premium set. And car number 2 of 5, we have the Baja Bouncer right here. And I believe this one might be a Toyota off-road truck, but it's called the Baja Bouncer in this. Correct me if I'm wrong down below in the comments section, guys. Car number 2 of 5. Let's go ahead and open up the Baja Bouncer right here. And this one, wow, this looks so cool. I really like the back with these 2 tires right there. That is super nice. These are just plastic though, molded. They're not the actual real riders that we have on the truck itself, and we can see that metal base with the real rider treaded tires on there. We've got some sort of writing on the side of it, Lucas Oil maybe, I'm not too sure exactly what that says. We've got the white and we've got the blue and red striping on there, and just check out these little intakes right on the front end, looks really cool. And there is that big push bar with looks to be imitation lights on the front of it right there, but just it's a great look. It's a great side look to this truck. I think from the 3/4 look, it looks really cool as well. We can see the big roll bar on the inside of that one as well, and then we'll look at it from this side as well and top down. Just an overall great looking off-road truck. And car number 3 of 5, we've got the 2020 Jeep Gladiator. Check out the color on this one, and we've got the Gladiator with some motorbikes in the back. Let's go ahead and open it up, and we can get a nice look at this one right here. And look at this color on here. It looks so cool. It's even got some sparkle to it as well. And there are your dirt bikes that are in the back right there. That's really cool. It's a nice touch to that one. Big like wheel tire combination, big fat mud tires on here. We've even got some like slightly different colored doors on this one, which is a little bit unique. On the front end, there's your classic Jeep grille right there with the big lights on that. And then on the back end, we don't have much detail as far as the rear hatch goes. The rear hatch is actually in plastic because your motorbikes are sticking right on there, but we do have painting for the rear lights on there as well. But the side look of this one looks cool. I really like the color on this. Even look at the touch on the front right there on that front hood. Even got all those little slots and stuff like that. But overall, looks great. What do you guys think of this Jeep Gladiator? Car number 4 of 5 is the Ford Bronco R, and this is the brand new Ford Bronco, and I really like the look of the new Ford Broncos. I'm a huge fan of them. I love how they've come to the Hot Wheels, the main lines, and now we're getting premium variations of them. This is the Bronco R, so this is like your crazy off-road Bronco. So you can see we've got that like rear tire on there, and then just look at the top. I just noticed that. Look at the Bronco logo on the top. That is super cool. Really good detail on that. Love the paint on here. Look at the side of that. Doesn't that look awesome? Really like the look. 2069 on there. Big fat mutters on this one, blacked out wheels on there. If we look at the front end, we can see we've got like a little bit of a push bar painted black. We've got a red pinstriping right there, and then check out the blue roll cage on the inside of this one. Even from the side, you can see that blue roll cage. This Ford Bronco R, I think it's the best car in this set. I think it looks great. Really, really cool trending car nowadays as well. What do you guys think of the new Ford Bronco? And car number 5 of 5 from our Hyper Hauler set is the 1975 Datsun Sunny Truck B120. And there it is. We've got it all lowered out and all that. It's kind of like a lowrider truck from this set. Probably the most street truck of all of them besides the Lightning. Most of the other ones were off-roading trucks, but let's go ahead and have a look at this Datsun right here. Look at those chrome wheel tire combination on there, the 120 on the side. I'm not sure exactly what B120 means. If you guys know about these trucks in real life, let me know. Looks like we have something in the back. It's like is it that like a spilled gas can in the back? Oh, that's kind of an interesting new thing. I've never seen that before, but check it out. Look at that. Look at that spilled gas can in the back right there. Datsun on the back of it. Datsun obviously being Nissan. They changed the company name, switched over to Nissan right there. But look at the wheels. Love that. Look at the side, all the graphics, all that good stuff. We look at the front end right there. You can just see how that wide body look and that lowered look on it is. We can see even the flared fenders when we look on the side right there. But I think it's kind of a cool looking truck. I've never been a fan of these like 1970s like pickup trucks or anything like that, but they've made them look a lot more modern, and I think this one looks pretty cool. And there we have all 5 of our trucks that we opened up today. Guys, in the comment section down below, let me know which one was your favorite. Don't forget to hit that like, follow, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.